Question 1. Which enzyme digests starch into sugars? Amylase. Question 2. What organ mixes food with acids? Stomach. Question 3. Which structure increases intestine absorption surface? Villi. Question 4. What vitamin produced by gut bacteria? Vitamin K. Question 5. Which muscle controls food swallowing process? Tongue. Question 6. Which part forms feces before exit? Rectum.